Pumpkin, what are you doing? You hiding in the honeysuckle bush? What'd you find? What'd you find, Pumpkin? Is that a worm? Don't eat the worm. Don't eat the worm. Look, she actually found a little worm. Pumpkin, don't eat the worm. Punky, leave him alone. Leave him alone, Punky. Leave him alone. Don't eat him. Punky. Punky, don't eat the worm. Punky, don't eat the worm. Punky. Punky, don't eat the worm. Oh, I gotta save this worm. Punky's gonna eat the poor little dude. Oh, there, I covered him up. No more worm. Oh, worm, don't wiggle out from underneath that. I just covered you up. I was saving your life. Punky. Punky. I'm going to move you. I'm going to move you or just knock you over. One of the two. Punky, no. Oh, good, the worm got away. Yeah, go ahead, look for him. I think he got away from you. I think I helped him. Pumpkin. Pumpkin, leave him alone. Punky. What are you doing? What are you doing? Go try and get that worm. You don't want to be breakfast or lunch or dinner or even a snack. Pumpkin.